of computer exercise presented by Hirarshad. Question number 1. What is difference between hardware and software? Hardware versus software. Hardware is the physical component of a computer. Software is collection of programs or instructions that help the computer in functioning. Hardware can be seen and touched. Software cannot be seen and touched. Hardware is connected to computer with wires and cables. Software is present in the memory of computer. Next one is name 3 input and output devices. Input devices touch screen, graphic tablet, scanner, mouse, keyboard. Output devices plotter, printer, microfilm, etc. What is a touch screen? Touch screen is a computer display screen that is also an input device. This screen responds to touch of a finger on any other pointer. Next one is describe the classification of different types of printer. Printers can be categorized into two types, impact printers and non-impact printers. Further, impact printers are divided and non-impact printers are also categorized. Name the different types of ROM. Number 1. PROM. The programmable read-only memory is a type of ROM which can be programmed only once. When it is manufactured by a company, the programs written on it are only once. EPROM, the erasable programmable read-only memory, is a type of ROM on which the data can be erased and written again. Next one is electronically erasable program read-only memory. Electrically erasable program read-only memory is a type of ROM which can be reprogrammed. The data on it can be erased with the help of electrical signals. It means data on EEPROM can be erased again and again and can be write again and again. CD and DVD. CD is the short form of compact disc. DVD is the short form of digital video disc. CD can store data in MBs. A DVD can store data in GBs. CDs are less expensive. DVDs are more expensive than CDs. Next one is floppy and zip disk. A floppy disk is small in size. A zip disk is larger in size. Floppy can store less data in it. Zip can store more data in it. RAM and ROM. RAM is the short form of random access memory. ROM is the short form of read-only memory. RAM is temporary memory. ROM is permanent memory. Next one is OCR. Optical character reader or OCR is used to detect characters, letters and numbers. It is a software that scans documents containing text and converts them into documents that can be edited. The OCR works by scanning the text character by character and then analyzing the scanned document for light and dark erase in order to identify each alphabetic letter on or numeric digit. It then creates a document which can be saved and edited in the computer using any suitable software such as MS Word, etc. A typical OCR can read up to 750 documents in a minute, which is a very high speed. Digital camera. Digital camera is a device which is similar to an ordinary camera. Ordinary cameras store the images on a film while the digital camera takes photographs and stores them digitally on its memory. The ordinary camera has a limited capacity because it cannot take pictures if the film of the camera is full. However, the digital camera can take and store a large number of images, and the storage capacity of a digital camera can also be increased. In digital camera we can insert our memory card too. We can connect digital camera with computer, and the storage of computer can be used as the storage of digital camera. MICR, magnetic ink character reader, is a device that can read characters printed on documents with a special ink called magnetic ink. These readers are specially designed for banks to read checks and other financial documents. At the bottom of every check, there are some details printed in magnetic ink. The magnetic ink reader reads the data and process it. By this, the bank can keep record of money transfer. You can say that when we apply for a test the online testing system which contain objective type of question. The ink used on those papers is also magnetic ink, which is read by an ICR to detect the answers against the question. Character printers. Character printer is a printer that print one character at a time. These printers can be divided into two types: dot matrix and letter quality. Dot matrix printer has a print head with many pins on it. As the head moves across the paper, these pins strike on a ribbon. Strike means through ink, make noise and print on a ribbon, and the ink on the ribbon prints on the paper. The striking of pins create impacts which then form letters or characters. Letter quality printer. A letter quality printer is a type of a printer of a character printer which prints a single character at a time. These printers have a print ahead which looks like a wheel and contains characters on it. When the printing starts, the desired character comes in front of the printer hammer. The hammer strikes the character and it prints on the paper. Daisy wheel printer is also an example of character printer. Daisy wheel work like a flower petals. Each petal contain letters on it, and the letter which we want to press it, the petal of daisy wheel move to it and print on the paper. Next one is plotters. A plotter is an output device which is similar to a printer. A plotter is used to print graphics, maps and drawings. A plotter works with one or more automated pens. Plotters draw point to point drawings of very high resolution. There are two types of, or you can say three types of plotters: flatbed plotters, drum plotters and electrostatic plotters. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.